It's 2:05 p.m. Bagulan na yung mga 1 after 2. About 2 hours of raining since 12. Karon it's already 2:06. Naglakaw ko gikan sa patay mga 2:03 or 2:02 or 2:03. Now is 2:30. I'm about just 5 to 7 minutes away from the school. We're already home and it's 4 p.m. It's raining again. Ganina 2 hours nag-rain pero nag-uwan na sud.